What's going on, everybody? We got a pickup here from 24 Hour Fitness. Hell yeah. We'll see if we got a reaction or ride along or some in between. We're in the Winter Park area near Goldenrod, if you're curious.
How's it going?
Pretty good, yourself? Does the temperature feel alright?
Say it.
Temperature feel alright for you?
Oh, yeah.
Cool. It's right around the side there?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, take care. All right, FSD totally owned that trip. That was great. Rather short. That was cool. And it was kind of funny. It's at the end. It's almost like me wanting to play with the Jeep because we like sped up behind him pretty close, and then the guy took an abrupt turn and we had to slow down a bit. But the customer didn't seem bothered by any of that, which is great. Now that was another really good ride on the city streets, which is honestly where FSD's 12.3.6 shines. I imagine 12.5 and on as well, since they're on the same highway code. Highway is sort of the weak link when it comes to FSD right now. I really look forward to being able to drive on a full single neural net stack. I think that'll be a game changer. I did notice while looking at the RoboTaxi dashboard, the RoboTaxi results from my CYBRLFT dashboard, that the performance metrics have gone up since Florida a little bit. I think up to 74%, 73%. I mean, there was a lot of data on 12.3.6 in California, so it's not going to move the needle too crazy, getting a bunch of successful rides, but we will be able to, in the next report, break down and look at how it's performed here, and likely a change too in the amount of driving on city versus highway, which, you know, in California, pretty much across the board, the whole time that I drove there, it was about 70% highway. 70 to, 72, 73% highway. Out here, I'm noticing a trend of it being predominantly city streets. Which is kind of cool. I like it. You know, that aside, I don't want to linger too much on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you all in the next one. Take care.